Well, hello again. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa Natash. Here I have a pretty easy wedding decor to you can put anywhere in your event. Here, just to jump right into it, I have two trays that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to attach them together. My plan is to have a really big, fluffy floral arrangements to be placed on 5 feet tall stand, and the stand is going to be made from wood. I don't think I have a video, but I will explain a little bit about it. I did plan to make a video, but totally forgot because it was around my wedding day. So this is going to be a quick video. Okay, so I'm attaching it with hot glue, and I have a few foams that I'm going to glue into the cake, not cake tray, into the tray. Now you don't have to glue this in. You can just use floral tape and wrap it around. I didn't mind gluing it, so I'm just gluing them in. And each of these trays are going to have 3 foam, and I got these foam from the Dollar Tree, so they're basically $1. So I'm going to be putting 3 in each, as you can see. Now, to just make sure you squeeze it down and to kind of secure it. Now the middle there has a gap, so I'm going to cut a piece of the foam and just glue that bad boy right in there too, because I'm going to be adding some flowers in that area. We don't want any gaps. We want everything to look nice and uniform. So again, it's going to be too big, so I'm going to cut it again, and until I get to the desired size, and I'm just going to hot glue that bad boy in. Like so. Okay, now any questions you have, just comment below. Okay, so I'm using my handy dandy hot glue. This is a bigger hot glue. The first one was, I had a Dollar Tree one. The glue was just coming out too slow, so that's my big one that I got from Amazon. And here are my flowers I'm going to be using. This is a type of orchid, and I got this from Pioneer Wholesale, so it's a wholesale product, so it's of course going to be affordable. I forgot how much I paid for one. I think it was $1 and change. So this, I have no idea what this is called. I just like the way it looked, and I decided to use it. And that's also from Pioneer Wholesale. These are a type of ferns from Pioneer Wholesale. The majority of my flowers are from Pioneer. That one there I got from Michael's, and I'm not sure what's it called. Hydrangeas, I got that from Walmart. Roses from Pioneer Wholesale. And that's a nice peachy color. Remember, it's a garden theme, so nice pink or peaches. Orchids from Pioneer Wholesale. That is also from Pioneer Wholesale. And the orchids are all on sale, and that is a type of cherry blossom. And roses, again, those are really cheap. I think those are $1 and change. The orchid, I got one of those for $1. And this one is it's actually, what's it called again, eucalyptus, and I got those from Walmart. This is all also from Walmart. I forgot the price for this. There's no name on this flower here. The eucalyptus, I think I got for like 97 cents. It could be $1, not 100%. This one I got, like, I think it's 2 and change or 3 and change. It has the kind of wisteria, not wisteria, but some little curly things at the end, which I think they do look realistic. Now here I am just like sizing it up where I'm going to push this flower here. I'm pushing it all the way through the foam. It's going to be a big piece, like it's cascading off the stand. So I'm attaching it where, if you notice from the flower to the foam, there's a big gap there, and it's done like that for a reason. I'm adding all the eucalyptus in there, and I got these from those, I think I got from $2 and change, matter of fact, from Walmart. I'm adding a bunch of greenery because my theme right now is just full with greenery, and then a little color to go in. Now I'm adding all my flowers, as you can see. Just add them to your liking, and I have them on a box. So it's just a stand. I'm adding all the orchids, everything I just showed you. I'm just adding them to my liking. Okay, those are the cherry blossoms, and as I said, the majority of these flowers are from Pioneer Wholesale. and my voice is kind of raspy. I'm doing this video in Hawaii. I'm on my honeymoon. I decided to just do this because I have a little time. So you see I'm adding some pinks in there, and those pink flower, I got those from Michael's, honestly, and I just saw them. There was this one bush and they're so beautiful. I think I got it for $3. Now this is what the end result looks like. I did not do a video of the overall end result. This is what something that I had just to look and see what it looks like, and I decided to add it. So I didn't do a video for the stand and how I made it. I'm going to do a new video regarding that so you guys see how I made this stand, and I'll do another video with the overall end results. So remember, comment below, like, share, and subscribe.